My name is Praveen. I work for a US firm, Transaction Network Services, and I came to Priyank's sound healing program with a frozen shoulder. And when I came, I was really so sad that the pain was entire day, and I couldn't even walk. And the radiation of pain will be always from here to here, and in the night I cannot sleep properly. And but the sound healing program has reduced the pain almost like 70%, and now the pain which is all day has gone away, and I'm really happy about the way it is done. Very well structured, and it gives more value than what it is. The thing I'm taking home is a lifetime value for my family, my friends. I can heal so many problems from this Priyank's sound healing program, and I found also a nice community of people who are my batchmates, and it's really great that Priyank has made this program in Chennai. Thank you.